In this video, I'm going to show you how to change password on HeyGen. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the bottom left, click on your profile icon, and click on Settings. Here you can see a section under Account inside User Settings, which is called Password. Now, if you used any other sign-in method than email and password, so for example, like Google or something, you'll have to first set your first password. So click on Set Password. You can type your password in here, confirm it again, and click on Change Password. Then you'll receive a verification code to your email, which you basically just have to type in here. So I received it just now. I'm going to type it in here like this, and then you have to press confirm, and your password is going to be set. But if you want to, of course, change it, if you want to change your password, you can do that just like this. So I'm going to actually sign in again with Google right now, because usually when you change the password, it's going to prompt you to sign back in. Let me actually do this right now over here using my Google account. And this is going to take a few seconds. It's going to sign you in, and then there we go. Here you can go back and you'll be able to now change your password, okay? So once you've set it here, it says change password. The same thing has to be done. Simply type in the new password, again confirm it, press change password, put in the verification code sent to your email, and then re-log in, and your password is going to be changed. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.